I thought after 2 years on YouTube, I'd have 1,000 subscribers. I'd be big now, but I don't. What I have learned is way much more than the number on my channel. Let's talk about it.
That's so chef, watch me shine, walking by faith one day at a time. That's so chef, living with purpose, God's timing always working for us. From the highs to the lows, still the light in me glows. That's so chef, can't you see, I'm becoming who I'm destined to be.
Hi, if you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. If you have not already, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I think a lot of us saw our favorite YouTubers and we thought, oh, we can do this too, it's easy. Because no one really talked about how hard YouTube can be. First thing, do not expect quick growth. Do not think that you're going to just blow up. No. Remember, the first thing I said is I've been on here for 2 years and currently I'm at 500 plus subscribers for 2 years, right? And it feels away, but slow growth. Over here is slow growth, and we are going to embrace the slow growth because while we're slow growing, we're learning. So embrace your slow growth. Your first videos, they're gonna be cringy, they're gonna be terrible, they're going to be, they're not going to be your best. That's okay. That is okay. Just keep going. Just enjoy the journey. Just keep working at it and work at it to make your content better in terms of visually. And when someone else comes onto your channel, they can feel your energy. They can feel who you are, right? Just continue to create. If it is 10 people that is watching you, cater to those 10 people. It doesn't matter. Just cater to those 10 people. Talk like you and those 10 persons are in the room. Like right now, I don't know how many persons is watching me, but I'm going to cater to however many people are in the room. It doesn't matter. Come back every week, talk to your 5 subscribers and keep going. Who knows? 5 persons turn into 10, 10 persons turn into 20, and so on and so on and so on, because that's how it really went for me. It went from being a small number to then being 50 persons, and then now I'm almost at like 100 persons in a room watching me. Now just imagine 100 persons in a room sitting down and listening to you talk. Okay, but imagine 10 persons in a room are listening to you talking about whatever it is that you're talking about, whether you're talking about your life, your experiences, whatever it is. 10 persons are listening to you. Cater to them. Do not compare yourselves to others who are doing the same things as you or who are in the same niche as you. So I'm a vlogger. I have multiple vloggers who also watch my channel. I have multiple vloggers who I watch because I started YouTube because of other people who I saw, right? And I've not only been doing YouTube for 2 years, I've been at YouTube from 2016, but I've stopped and started. So yeah, this is my new journey. I took ideas from others and I made it into my own. I took things that I saw in others' vlogs and I made it my own. I've compared myself. I have. Remember, these are things that I wish my younger self knew that I'm sharing with you. So I have compared myself to others. I've seen other videos and I thought, how are they getting subscribers more than me, or how are they getting more views than me? But who knows how long that person was doing it. Persons may gravitate more to that person than me, and then it depends on the type of person that person is the persons are gravitating to that person. Do you want those persons to come over to your channel? Do you want that vibe over your channel? So don't compare yourself to others. Stay in your lane, stay in your lane, do your thing, just be you. That's on the next topic. Be yourself. Don't let imposter syndrome take over. This is me. I am a Jamaican content creator. I speak standard or American-ish English. I switch. I speak patois. I speak English. This is how I talk. this is who I am. And I'm not gonna fake it for nobody. I'm not going to try to do what others want me to do. So if persons don't want to tune into me because of how I talk, then they don't. If persons don't want to tune into me because my vibe is too mellow, then don't. So I am me. And I can't make me any more interesting for other people. I am not going to take on a personality that I don't know about. I can't fake it to make it. All right? So be yourself at all times. People will like you. Some people won't like you. It comes with it. Negativity comes with it. But just be you in all of this. Don't lose yourself creating content. Make sure you grab a hold of who you are and hold dear to that so that you don't lose yourself. Do not, I repeat, do not sub for sub. The worst thing you can ever do is sub for sub. Oh my gosh, I did not learn that until way down. Do not sub for sub. Sub for sub hurts your channel. You have all these numbers, but then people are not watching your content. And then also what I've learned is that when people sub for sub, if they don't actually watch a couple videos or interact on a video, then when they just subscribe, you lose that subscriber by the end of the day or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So the person has to actually interact with your channel in order for you to actually keep that sub. So don't sub for sub. You don't want people to just subscribe. You want genuine people who are going to tune into your channel. You want people who actually want to watch you because they like you or because they're interested in what you have to say. Yeah, you're going to have haters that watch you, but it doesn't matter. You want people to be interested in you. Don't sub for sub. Don't do promotions. Don't do promotions. Promotions, oh my gosh. When I started, I think maybe like my 5th or 6th video, I did a promotion, and that video, I have maybe 1.6K views on that video, and I got a lot of subscribers from that video because that was the video that I ran a promotions on. So you get subscribers, you get bought subscribers. And if I had known, I would not have done it, because I think maybe like 100 or 200 of my subscribers currently right now are bots. They're bots. So if I could go back, yes, I would probably be at a smaller number now, but if I could go back, I wouldn't do promotions. I would not do it. I did it twice. And then the second time when I did it, I realized it's bots. So I stopped it. I didn't do it anymore. So don't do promotions. It's an easier way to grow, but then you still have no watch hours. People aren't commenting, so you have all these views but no comments. And did I have likes? I don't remember if I had likes. You have all these views, you have all these new subscribers, no comments, no likes, so your watch hours aren't going up. All right, so just work. It will eventually pay off. Stop obsessing over analytics. I still kind of do it, but not as bad as before. I know you want to check how many views you got, if you got any likes on the videos, if you got any comments on the videos. Stop obsessing over it, because I think the more that you watch the analytics is the less you're growing. You're just pinpointing at everything that you're doing wrong, or you're putting yourself in like a numbers box rather than, just keep going. Just keep going. Yes, it's important to know your analytics, to know what you need to work on, but don't obsess over it. Check it to know what you need to work on. Check your view duration. Check your CTR to know if you change your thumbnail or your title. Yeah, check those things. But every minute and the first thing you want to know is the view. No. Once again, this is something that I do. So that's still a work in progress, because you want to grow. Sometimes you're so desperate for growth. You want to, because this is something that you've dreamed about. Right? So I understand. I more than understand. This is something that you dream about. This is something that you may be passionate about. If you are not passionate about creating content and you're just in it for money, you're not gonna be consistent. You're not gonna grow. You know what? I take that back, because people who are not passionate about it, they actually grow faster than those who are actually passionate about it. So like for example, someone like me, I'm very passionate about creating content, always thinking of another video. Like today I sat down and this video came to my mind. I was like, oh, I have time, let me do it. I'm always thinking of the next video. I'm not thinking of the next viral video. I'm thinking of the next video, the next creation. I'm always thinking of a way to keep my content flowing and keep my content going. And I'm thinking of how to continue to make it more interesting. From the feedback that I've gotten from the people who watch my videos, they like my videos. And I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of my fellow content creators who are here and they're watching me, because then they also can tell me, hey Chev, we would like to see this, or Chev, next time don't put that in the vlog, or don't put that there. So I appreciate my fellow content creators, because they know what should and shouldn't be, right? But then you can't tell another person how to run their channel, but they can give their advice. Create a community and not just a subscriber count or a following. Create people who actually check in on you when you are not posting, because you know we have our down days and we have our times when we may not get to post, or something is transpiring in our lives that's causing us to not be able to post, right? Create a community. They go on Instagram, they check in, they go on the community post and they comment and they say, hey, we're Chev, hey, we're such and such. Yeah, create a community. I have a subscriber, Janae. Hi boo, how are you doing? There was either, I believe, 2 times, a couple times, well, Janae has she has checked in. Chev, I haven't seen a video in 2 weeks, or Chev, what's going on? Hope you're okay. We're overdue for a video, right? She's done that. She's messaged me on TikTok, Chev, we're long overdue for a video now. She'll allow me to take my break. But then she's like, Chev, we need a video now, okay? And then multiple times on videos where I talked about giving up on YouTube, because I have talked about giving up on YouTube because of the slow growth. A long epistle, which I'm gonna find that video and show you guys, and she just encouraged me. She was like, Chev, your videos are good. I love your videos. Someone like me, we look forward to watching your content. Please don't give up. Keep going. She's my silent watcher, but she checks in on me a lot. She comments when she can, but she checks in on me. You know, I just really appreciate that. And then I have a group of other content creators where they check in as well and find out, and I check in as well and say, hey, haven't seen any video in a while. What's going on? Especially when I know their schedule. So create a community, not just a following, not just a subscriber count. Do not give up. Take your breaks if you need to. Take your mental breaks. Do whatever you need to, but don't give up. Do not give up. Keep going. Consistency. Keep going. Keep going. Take a break every now and then, but keep going. Okay? One day, it will pay off. Pray over your channel. Give it on to the Lord Jesus Christ. Speak life over your channel. Surround yourself with positive people who are encouraging you to keep going, people who want to see the best for you. Don't surround yourself with people who are, yeah man, quit. Don't make no sense. You're not getting the views. Leave it alone. No, don't surround yourself with people like that, because people like that will cause you to never make it in life. I am surrounded by people who's like, quit what? You're not quitting. So try to figure out something to document or to whatever, and make sure you're posting. Okay? Yeah, man. Market yourself. Go on other small creators' videos, subscribe, watch their videos. If you're genuinely interested in their content, watch their videos and market yourself. They will probably end up start commenting under yours. They will become your subscriber. When you go out on the road and people see you with your videos, see you vlogging or see you doing whatever you're doing, they may ask, so what are you doing? And you probably say, I have a YouTube channel. Tell them your channel name. It is something that I am still nervous of doing, but I do it. And even since recently, I got a new subscriber just from that. He was a male. I don't think he's tuning in, but hey, right? A cousin of mine has asked me, what was your reason for creating a YouTube channel? And I told them it's a passion of mine. It's something that I've always wanted to do and I've always been doing. And I guess it's like an outlet for me to just show my creativity and show who I am. And it's just an outlet for me. YouTube is an outlet for me to show me, right? Why? I don't know, but that is the thought, that's all that I can think of. YouTube is an outlet for me to show me. I like to document. I'm always documenting things. I'm always taking pictures of my kids and my husband, and always, so it's something that I've always been doing. I don't know where I'll be in the next 2 years, but all I know is I'll still be here. I will still be here. So hopefully you have already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video, and please go ahead, feel free to watch all the vlogs, because that's what I mostly create. I just felt like I really needed to do this video to enlighten all my other small creators, because I know it is rough, I know it is hard, and you want to give up, but I'm here to tell you, do not give up. Keep going. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.
That's so chef, purpose of oppression.